Look where I just pulled up to. I'm gonna go in, see if I can find anything, and if I do, then I'll do a haul as soon as I come out. Okay, you guys, so I have a bag full of goodies, and this is my cute little reusable bag that Sensational Finds sent me. If you guys didn't watch our swap video, then make sure you go check that out. So I went in and I did pick up a few things. I'm gonna start with the food stuff just because it's sitting right on top. So I did happen to see in one of my other videos, I talked about the new baskets that they had coming. At the time, that store only had a couple. This time I saw a lot more of the colors. I'll show you guys those. So they had a large variety of different baskets with the different colors and everything. But the only one I picked up this time was this navy blue one. And I am sitting right outside the store. And I just picked up this one. I just thought it was really cute. I don't know if I'm going to go back and pick up any of the other ones or more of the navy blue, but that's the only one I got for today. So because the food is in this basket, I'm going to show you this first. I did get these Pastry Crisp. It says triple chocolate. You get 8 of them in here. And those look like that. Hopefully we like those. And then these are some fruit grain bars. I like these to keep in my purse. Or for Pooh Bear or the kids, like, you know, on the go. So these are strawberry, and you get 4 of them in the box. Now, I don't particularly care for Nutella. I just don't. But my daughter likes it. So they had some new little things like this that remind me of Nutella. This one says cookie butter, and it is a swirl. So you have the chocolate and the, I guess, I don't want to say vanilla, but hazelnut. So chocolate and hazelnut mix right there. And then this one just says creamy cookie butter. So I picked up this one, and this one is just solid like that. So as far as the food items, that was all I picked up. So I stumbled across some more of the My Little Pony pins that I just showed in a recent haul video with the pins and the stickers. So I did pick up 2 more of these. I think these are super cute, and I will be using these as gifts to give out, you know, in my Poshmark. I always talk about that. And finally, somebody had mentioned them on Instagram, and I hadn't seen them, but they do have Superman as well. So I found some Superman pins, and they only had 2 left, so I picked these up. And the reason why I got these, I think these would be nice to give out in my Poshmark packages for men, because sometimes I have some men clothing items or whatever, and I never really have a gift to put in a man's package. So I just figured these Superman pins would work perfect. If you sell on Poshmark and you have your Dollar Trees close to you, you may want to go get some of those, because those make good gifts to give in your packages. Okay, so now I'm just randomly grabbing stuff out this. These popped out. I guess they wanted to be next. I did pick up Pooh Bear some of the Batman socks, and they just look like that. It is 1 pair, but for these like cartoon type socks, or, you know, like that. There's another one. This one, the Ninja Turtles. You know, these like in Target would be a little more than $1. So I always pick these up when I like the little patterns on the front. Then I saw this again. I didn't get it the first time I saw it, but this time around I said, let me just get one. And it says strong women make waves. I thought that was really cute. And then I also saw this one, so I got this one as well. And I believe it is just lined paper inside it. Let me see. Yeah, I can see through this little part. It does have lined paper. So I picked up those 2. Then, is this the only ones? Yeah, so then I saw these and I was like, oh my goodness, these are so cute. My daughter is going to love these. So these, it says peel and stick, and you can pretty much use them anywhere like stickers. But I really got them because right here it shows that they used them on a cell phone. So my daughter can use these on her cell phone and kind of switch them out. And they're like the foil type of look to them. But look at that. That is so cute. The little tropical with the pineapple. Then she loves feathers and birds. She has a bird. We recently got a bird. So she'll love these feathers. Then this one I thought was super cute. Look at that. little llama with wings. So kind of instead of a unicorn, they're using llamas now, and it has a horn. And the colors aren't really picking up. They're really pastel, really pretty colors. So I got that. Then the unicorn. And this one says unicorns are my spirit animal, not favorite, but spirit animal. These will be cute, super cute stickers to use on whatever you want. And I really like this one. You can use them on whatever you want. But like I said, I got them for my daughter to use on her phone. Then I saw these, and they are some new dog toys. This one is called a hydration ball. It just, you says soak in water, and when the dog is carrying it back, the water will release in their mouth or whatever, something like that. I don't know. Never seen one of these, but I got it for my dog. And then I also got him this squeak flyer. It says no mess fun, no stuffing. So it's like a squeaky toy, like a disc. And I guess you're supposed to, I don't want to squeak it. Let me see. Okay. So they had these in red and I think blue, but I just picked up the yellow one. And you guys know, I think I do have some pictures, so stay tuned because I will post pictures at the end. Randomly pulling stuff out. Then I saw this and I picked it up because I love to let Pooh Bear interact with when I'm, you know, cutting his fruit and stuff like that. Like I'll give him a butter knife and let him help me cut his strawberries or whatever. So when I saw this, I thought, oh, he'll love being able to cut his own little bananas. So it's Professionals, and it's a banana cutter. You just put it in there and then, you know, it slices it. So I got that for Pooh Bear so he can cut his own bananas. What else is in this bag? Then I saw these spring towels. It says celebrate everything, like that. I thought that was really pretty. And then this one that says hello spring. There is a guy sitting in a truck, like an older gentleman sitting in a truck right in front of me, and he is watching everything I do. And I know sometimes people watch me in my window and they're like, who is she talking to? It does feel really weird, but at some points you kind of get used to it. Hi. And then there's a lady that I just said hi to, and she's looking at me. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so let me continue. So then the last time I saw the tacos, and I can't remember what else food I saw, but this time around I did pick up these it says large embossed pineapples, and they're really cute, and they're not flimsy like some of the other ones. They're kind of like a little bit thicker, not so much like a cardstock. I mean, they're still, but they're not that thin like paper. So this is what they look like, and they are embossed. They're kind of textured, and then the back is plain. And I just thought I'll keep these around, so around when it starts to heat up around the summer and I'm sending out packages on Poshmark, I'll just write thank you, or you know, whatever I want to add that in there. Instead of putting an actual card, I'll just use these as like little cards to put in there. I just thought that was cute. And then I saw this cosmetic bag, and it looks like this, and I'm gonna give this to my daughter. She won't use it for cosmetics, but I just thought the colors on that one was cute, so I picked it up. I also picked her up this, and it says wear 1, 2, or 3 together. And there's these little stretchy bracelets, and they have the little elastic band. The top one says this girl can, the middle one says girl boss, and the other one at the bottom says hello beautiful. So I think she'll like that, or maybe want to give one to her friend. Then they had the Main Street wall decor hooks, and these were out way in the past, and I wanted to get another one because the other one broke. It did last for a while, but I picked up this. They did have one that said love, and it was in pink, but it was broke. I think I have a picture of that. And then I also got this one to give to my sister, for her to hang her keys up on because she loves butterflies. And it just has the 4 hooks right there. So she'll be able to use that. I just have to send it to her. And is this it? Oh, no. Before I show you those, I did get some bobby pins. I love getting bobby pins from the Dollar Tree because I use them all the time. But these are cute. They had the little polka dots on them. Yeah. And then the last thing I picked up, I grabbed them for Pooh Bear's teacher. I just think that she'll get a kick out of these. Even though Pooh Bear is almost done with, you know, her class. He's going to go off to kindergarten, but I really, really like his teacher. So whenever I see anything, I try to give him to her. And just so you guys know, anybody that watched my Michaels grab bag boxes that I had, a lot of you guys were commenting and commenting. I forgot to address that, but a lot, almost 80% of that stuff besides the planners, I did give to Pooh Bear's teacher, just so you guys know that. But I saw these and they say desk swag, and there's 2 pieces in there. And I like how it says desk swag. And they're just little things that the teachers can sit on the desk. If you're a teacher, these will be super cute. It says great effort and nice work. So I'm thinking like when the kid does something really good in class, and instead of giving them a star or something, if they'll feel a lot better by having one of these on their desk. And so everybody will know that they did a good job for the day or something like that. Because, you know, kids love to be praised. They love rewards and all of that. So great effort, nice work in that one. This one says keep it up and super helper. Super cute. Or you might even be able to incorporate these in your home when you have multiple children that are doing good, different ones for different things or something like this. And then it says good job and excellent. And I just thought those were super cute, so I got those for his teacher. And that is it for my haul. It's like the man is watching a movie because he's literally sitting in front of me eating. But I'm done. Let me wrap this up. That was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.